How to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. Hello guys, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way. So to know that, just follow these steps right here. So when I open my profile, I can see the option of upload photos. But someday you might be missing this feature right here. Then how do you solve this problem right here? To solve this problem right here, what you can simply do is open your TikTok and open your profile. After opening your profile, on the top right side you will see there are three vertical lines. On the three vertical lines, just tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, just scroll down and down. Just tap on the option of report a problem. After tapping on this flag icon, so since I've been using VPN, so it does not show right here. So after you tap on report a problem, you can just report a problem by commenting it with description and then send it. So the TikTok might take about 48 hours to recover it, but it will give you a feedback after that, and then your problem will be solved. So by reporting a problem, you can solve this problem. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. For any queries or suggestions, do comment it on the comment section. Thank you. See you on the next one.